Welcome to Theology in Minutes. Today we're challenging everything you think you know about interreligious dialogue. Are other religions a problem for Christianity to solve, or are they a gift to be received? We're diving into the work of Michael Barnes, S.J., to explore why the future of faith isn't about winning an argument, but about learning how to be a guest in a world of many voices. We live in a world of many faiths, a context of otherness. But how do we live here? Not as a problem to solve, but as neighbors. We're moving beyond exclusivism and pluralism. Christianity is a school of faith, a place to learn, not just teach. We are called to hospitality, a spirit, an attitude. We negotiate the broken middle, the space where difference meets. The other haunts our perspective. They are not objects, but subjects. Like the Trinity, a dialogue of love, our life must be dialogical. Dialogue isn't just talk, it is a religious experience. We listen for seeds of the Word, signs of God already present. To be a border crosser is a risky, holy task. Identity isn't a given, it's a goal achieved in relationship. We gather in silence, learning to respect the mystery of the other. This work is never finished. It is laborious and time-consuming. We wait upon the Spirit, trusting in the God who is always present. Faith is formed in the middle, where we encounter God in the stranger,